Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Mercedes GLK250 in Tenorite Metallic Gray on black synthetic interior. Let's have a look here at the rear wheel. So looking nice, painted rims, painted calipers, painted rotors, nice new Pirelli tires on there. We'll go up front here and have a look at the passenger side. So we've got a nice synthetic leather finish on the door panel here. Some nice dark wood trim in the door, power windows, power locks. Have a look in the door frames there as I get in, nice and clean. So we'll have a seat here. Let's check out in the glove box. So we've got books, perfect, all good in there. Let's see here. Vanity mirror with light, perfect, awesome. On these it has a nice black headliner, which is really cool. Sunroof there, which I'll show you once I get around to the other side. So we'll hop out here, looking all good, especially with the aluminum sill plate there. It says Mercedes Benz on it, very awesome. So let's close that. Have a look here at the front rim. Looking awesome, painted calipers, painted rotors, nice new Pirelli tires, awesome. We'll have a look in the back seat here. So lots of room, storage there on the back seats. In the center here, looks like it's got a pocket there, and down here 12-volt lighter and an ashtray, what it looks like to be, or a change holder. So we'll close that. Inside the center here, flip down armrest, very cool. And let's see, that opens. It's got some storage here. This guy opens, gives us cup holders, awesome. Looking good. So 5 seats in the back, nice and comfortable. There it is again. I want you to have a look at that wood trim, very cool, awesome. And let's have a look in that door frame there as well while we're here. Nice and clean, very important, very tidy. On the top there, we've got the nice brushed aluminum finished roof rails, very cool. And have a look on the trunk. So we've got the chrome sill plate here on the trunk, and another one up here. It's got your privacy shade, perfect, looks good. Close that one up. Let's have a look underneath. So we've got all the tools here on the side. As you can see, tool hook and everything else. And then down on the side here, we've got the wheel lock key. So that's there, that's all good. Close that up. We've got a power lift tailgate. So open and close. So as you can see here, so we'll press that. There it is, working perfect. So GLK250 BlueTec. So this is a 2.2 liter diesel. I really like diesel, one of my favorites. So, and let's have a look at this rim while we're over here. Rim looks good. Brand new tire. There it is there. Painted rotors, painted calipers, looking awesome. Just fabulous. And there's from the other side there in the back. And our sunroof is up there, which I'll show you in just a moment. So we'll close this one up. All right, here we are on the driver's side. Power windows, power mirrors, folding mirrors, power locks, and trunk release down there. As we get in, we've got automatic headlights, fog lights, and I'll just hop in. And as I hop in, just have a look in the door frame there, nice and clean, nice and tidy. All right. There we are inside. All right, so we've got home link on the bottom of the mirror, so you can program those for your garage door. You've got automatic dimming rear view mirror. And let's have a look at the sunroof. Oh, I need to turn it on first. That'll help. So we'll just get some power here. There it is. So we'll open the shade here. There's the privacy shade, and there's actually a double sunroof, so one in the front and one in the back there. And I'll open that just to show you that it does work. Everything is opening and working as it should. Nice and smooth and quiet. Perfect. And we'll close that one up there. Beautiful. And if we hit it a second time, there goes the shades closing. Perfect. All right, so let's have a look over here. I'm gonna start this one up here. There it is there. Close the door. All right, so let's see here. We're running. Everything looks good. No engine lights, no nothing. And we'll go over and take a look at the radio. Let's turn that on. Mercedes Benz. And then down here we've got buttons. So we've got telephone controls, heated seats. We've got radio, nav, disc, telephone system. So let's hit nav for a second. There's your nav on screen. Awesome. We hit telephone there. Brings up ready to pair with your phone. If we go to radio, there's radio there. And we've also got this multi-function control down here, which changes the channel and other different things as well with the radio. And then if we have a look down here, excuse me, I'll just turn that off. We've got climate control, so dual zone climate control for passenger and driver, which is cool. And just below here, there it is there, we've got just like a pocket for storing your phone, 12-volt socket there. And let's have a look in there. That's an ashtray. Close this one up. There's your two cup holders. Let's see on this one. How do we open this guy? Oh, there's a button actually just on the side. So if I hit that button, there it is there, nice and tidy inside. USB port. So that looks nice. Close that up. Awesome. And let's find out how many kilometers are on this. So I'll just shut it off. There it is there, 38,294. So very low kilometers for 2015. I'm just going to fire it up again so we can hop out and have a look with it running. All right. And this one does have blind spot monitor indicators on the mirrors. Very cool. Love the color, the Tenorite metallic there. There's the front wheel, painted rotors, painted calipers, brand new Pirelli Scorpion Zero tires. And let's have a look at the front here. Mercedes GLK250 4MATIC. Awesome, nice HID headlights, LED turn signals, and DRL lights. And let's have a look under there. So 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine. Very, very nice. Let's have a look at the cleanliness in there. Looking good. Just awesome. Nice and tidy. Everything looks good. Running nice. So we'll close that up. Let's have a look at the hood. Step back there so you can see. Alright. Let's have a look here at the hood. Looks pretty clean. I think there's a couple little minor marks on this one. Might be hard to come by. I think that's one there. And another little guy there. But outside of that, I don't really see anything else. We'll just go around the front there so you can have a look yourself. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. And let's just go out the back and see what it looks like while it's running there. Nice dual exhaust, quiet as it should be. There it is. All right, there you have it, folks. 2015 GLK 250 here at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at it yourself. Hope to see you real soon. Thanks.